this briefing. Just a moment. Hello traders, I hope you hear me well. Let's start our briefing for today, and we're starting as usual from news overview. For today, the news factor is quite calm. There are no some news that could bring some turbulence to the markets. Quite calm, but just to check it and forget about this. Okay, BTC just a moment. BTC broke this level, inclined level. I was waiting for this breakout for a long time. We evidenced several touches to the level here, and finally that was more technical breakout. There were no any news, I think, but there was the really technical breakout, and as a result, many altcoins broke their levels as well, as you see, and situation. And from the one side, buyers failed to buy out this movement in several hours. This is not a very good sign for a long movement. But from the other side, as I told you, that BTC really needs some correction, and I think the first and the very strong level towards which the BTC could correct, I think 20,000, 21,000 flat, and from this side, from this area, BTC will probably assault 25,000. It will be like this. We, as usual, describe several scenarios. The first scenario, the second scenario is that we will consolidate a little bit, and then we will go back. And the worst scenario, if we go lower, consolidate here, and then break this structure. If we go lower than 20,000, it's the sign for bearish market again. But I really hope that this movement was a technical one, just to grab the liquidity accumulated below this level. And I'm sure that I'm almost sure that it hardly overcome this zone, or even earlier we will go back. So let's watch other altcoins, and I really recommend you visiting Cscalp TV on the YouTube channel and watch the latest video, best moments of light trading. And from this video, I really advise you grabbing some practical life hacks and some very useful information. This video is quite short but extremely informative, because there were some best moments and most informative and really useful moments from our live trading, and mostly from our briefings that contain useful information about how to scalp, how to detect huge player, how to detect spoofers, and how to understand this. And it's a crucial moments for traders to understand the market. Okay, let's go further. AVAX, we saw the very similar breakout that resulted after the breakout on the BTC. Now I'm really expecting the two scenarios. It could break this inclined level. However, more probably, I think with the most probability, Bitcoin will touch this level, and here we will be waiting for the point for towards of this moment. I'm sure the order book will show us some arguments. Limit orders above or some points of control, something else, just to continue this breakout. However, this situation that I was talking is relevant only if the BTC is inside the range, and in case BTC doesn't go back sharply, because I'm really sure that consolidation will last for a long time. STX, unfortunately, we missed this situation. I was about to take this breakout. However, it's quite short, about 2%, but you really can just now check the order book, and we can take this trade again from the retest. From the retest only, in case you will see solid arguments for this trade in your order book. I mean, some limit orders, some maybe very green delta with very low evidences of short movements of sellers. I mean, in this case, it will be reasonable to trade this setup with a stop loss inside the range below this strong level, and trying to trade the retest of this situation. Okay, APE USDT, another extreme thing. The movement, such a behavior from price to reach this area, maybe a little bit consolidate inside and turn back, to pull back from this level with a stop loss below this level. Please watch this instrument, and it's a 15-minute time frame. During the day, I think the situation will work out very good. In case the BTC doesn't spoil our analysis. What else? YFI USDT, another one situation where I really just a moment. I expect the continuation of uptrend movement, because in this case we have quite large volume, daily volume, and the instrument is stronger than market. It means that it doesn't follow the BTC now, and it really looks like a long setup. Please be sure that there are some arguments in your order book to continue this uptrend movement. Anyway, we need some consolidation to be sure that the continuation of this movement will occur. Something like that, with a quite flat level and high activity before the breakout of this level. We need more consolidation. But anyway, the instrument is it really looks strong, stronger than market, stronger than BTC guide, with high volume. GMT now is shorting. Previously I told you that several times we managed to short from this point. Several stop losses. There were hit of stop losses, and now I think the price is gonna get back to this downtrend movement, especially after the BTC behavior. And now I really wait the GMT to get back to this. I will show you this downtrend movement, and still I'm waiting the GMT around 0.32, 0.30, somewhere here. But it's just an idea. I still, frankly speaking, I still have no more precise point for enter, and please wait for such point in your order book. Now it's this setup is not ready, but as idea that GMT will continue the downtrend, I think it's the probability of such outcome is quite high. STX, I was talking about the STX already. Just a moment. What else? Oh, Ethereum. I forgot Ethereum. It's important to observe Ethereum and BTC because there are both the strongest instruments. Now I'm waiting for the Ethereum to grow again, because as you see, the Ethereum didn't come lower than 1464. Another bad time would be if the Ethereum would probably refresh the previous minimums, but anyway, it's still the positive angle, despite the fact that the BTC showed more than 6% correction, about 6% correction. Still, Ethereum looks more stable, more positive, because the angle is still positive. I think, look at this, the enormous sales volume, but I really believe that buyers will buy out this moment during this day. We discussed GMT, STX. I think it's probably still relevant to trying to continue this movement, entering from the retest of this level after the breakout. And finally, another one great setup, because this setup will be along the current trend. We are waiting for the approach of the price towards this zone, and from 1.9, 1.85, it's quite large zone. Be aware, use proper volume. We will have the pullback. Be patient and wait for this setup. I really believe in this setup because I think it will be enough, secure enough, because we are trading along the trend, not against, and it will be just a correction, and then we will be entering the trade along the trend. It's okay. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please save your deposits and stay green. Thank you.